Hey everyone, Justin from Adventures Away, and today we're talking about something that can make or break your very first cruise. If you've never been on a cruise before, it's easy to focus on the obvious things like clothes, swimsuits, and sunscreen. But there are several cruise essentials that experienced cruisers never leave home without, and they're items that first-time cruisers usually don't even know exist. Today, I'm sharing 11 cruise essentials that will make your cabin more comfortable, keep your devices charged, and help you avoid some common frustrations on board. Let's jump right into it. One of the first things every cruiser should pack is magnetic hooks. This is probably the #1 cruise hack you'll hear from experienced travelers. Most cruise cabin walls and ceilings are made from steel, meaning magnets stick almost everywhere. Cruise cabins aren't huge, so having extra places to hang hats, jackets, backpacks, lanyards, wet swimsuits, or even your excursion bags makes a huge difference. Instead of everything piling up on the tiny desk or floor, you can instantly create extra storage space. They're inexpensive, lightweight, and take up almost no room in your luggage, but they make the cabin feel much less cluttered throughout the week. The next item is a European outlet adapter. This one surprises a lot of first-time cruisers because most modern cruise ships have both North American outlets and European outlets in the cabin. The problem is that there are usually only 1 or 2 standard US plugs available. If you're traveling with phones, smartwatches, cameras, tablets, portable chargers, or maybe a laptop, you'll quickly run out of outlets. Bringing a simple European adapter instantly gives you another place to plug in your chargers without having to fight over outlets every night. Just remember to bring an adapter only, not a surge protector, because surge protectors are prohibited on almost every cruise line. Speaking of comfort, another item I never cruise without anymore is a battery-powered rechargeable fan. Cruise cabins can sometimes feel warmer than you'd like, especially if you enjoy sleeping with moving air. A small rechargeable fan not only keeps air circulating around the bed, but it also provides a little white noise that can help drown out hallway sounds or neighbors closing cabin doors late at night. Since it's rechargeable, you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, and you can recharge it during the day while you're out enjoying the ship. Another must-have is a portable battery bank. Cruise ships are packed with photo opportunities, and between taking pictures, recording videos, using the cruise line's app, and checking maps in port, your phone battery drains much faster than normal. The last thing you want is a dead phone while exploring a new destination or trying to communicate with family on board. A quality portable charger can recharge your phone several times before it needs to be plugged in again, giving you peace of mind throughout the day. One thing many first-time cruisers don't realize is that cabins have very little bathroom storage. That's why I always recommend bringing a hanging toiletry organizer. Instead of spreading everything across the tiny bathroom counter, you can keep all of your toiletries organized in one place. Many organizers even have hooks that allow them to hang in the bathroom or closet area, making it easy to find everything without digging through bags every morning. Now let's talk about one item you'll definitely appreciate after spending time at the pool or on the beach: a set of towel clips. It may sound silly, but cruise ship pool decks can get breezy. Without clips, your towel constantly slides down your lounge chair or blows away altogether. These inexpensive clips keep everything in place and also make it easier to identify your chair when you step away for lunch or a swim. Here's another cruise essential that's especially useful if you're traveling as a family or with friends: packing cubes. Cruise cabins don't have unlimited drawer space, so packing cubes help keep everyone's clothes organized. You can dedicate one cube for swimsuits, another for dinner clothes, another for undergarments, and so on. When you unpack, you simply place the cubes directly into drawers or shelves, instead of unpacking every single item individually. At the end of the cruise, packing to go home is much faster too. Another item I highly recommend is a refillable insulated water bottle. While cruise ships have plenty of beverages available, you'll likely spend long days exploring ports or relaxing on the pool deck. Having an insulated bottle keeps water cold for hours and saves you from making repeated trips back to the buffet or drink stations. Just remember that cruise lines usually ask guests not to fill bottles directly from beverage dispensers. Instead, fill a cup first, and then pour it into your bottle. Here's one that doesn't get talked about enough: a small first aid and medication kit. Cruise ships absolutely have medical centers on board, but basic medications can be surprisingly expensive. Pack pain relievers, motion sickness medication, bandages, antacids, allergy medicine, and anything else you regularly use. Even if you never need them, chances are someone in your travel group eventually will. Another great organization tool is a small over-the-door shoe organizer, Before you pack one, make sure to check your cruise line's current policies, as some cruise lines restrict or prohibit hanging organizers that could damage cabin doors. If they're allowed, they're a fantastic way to maximize storage in smaller cabins. You can use the pockets for sunscreen, sunglasses, charging cables, medications, toiletries, lanyards, seasickness remedies, hats, and all those little items that otherwise end up scattered across the desk or bathroom counter. It keeps everything organized and easy to find, especially when you're sharing a cabin with several people. Finally, one of my favorite cruise accessories is a waterproof phone pouch. Whether you're relaxing in the pool, visiting a Caribbean beach, snorkeling, kayaking, or simply walking around during a rainy port day, a waterproof pouch protects your phone while still allowing you to take pictures and use the touchscreen. It's a relatively inexpensive item that could save you from replacing a very expensive phone. At the end of the day, none of these items are particularly expensive, but together they can dramatically improve your cruise experience. The extra organization, charging options, comfort, and convenience can make your cabin feel much larger and help you avoid those little inconveniences that many first-time cruisers run into. After your first sailing, chances are these items will become permanent additions to your cruise packing list. Now I'd love to hear from all of you. If you're an experienced cruiser, what's one item you never leave home without that first-time cruisers should know about? Drop it down in the comments to help out someone preparing for their very first cruise. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventures Away for more cruise tips, ship tours, and travel guides. And I'll see you all in the next adventure.